Hey there, it's Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach, and I've given you all my tips, my 22 tips to really boost your immunity and feel fabulous. If you didn't get them all, click on over to my website and download the PDF, the free PDF ebook with everything. And I just want to give you a little disclaimer. I'm not in any way recommending natural treatments as a replacement for standard medical care or vaccinations, but until the time comes that effective medical treatments or vaccinations are created for the COVID-19, the coronavirus, and they're developed and approved, I'll be using all the tools that I've given you, and anything I know that can work for other viral and respiratory illnesses like the flu. Whether you choose to travel or cancel your upcoming plans, that's completely personal, a personal decision. And I can't recommend you choose one path over another. We all need to make whatever decisions we feel most comfortable with our families, with our lives. I just want to help you a little bit with some natural treatments. We know that prescription drugs, they have all kinds of side effects. They have chemicals and preservatives in them. Hopefully these tips will give you a little security, they'll make you feel a little bit better about really healing your family naturally. In the meantime, it is so important, on top of all my suggestions, to live a joyful, happy, healthy life and make the most out of every moment of your day. I would love to help support your immune system and enjoy a happier and more fulfilling life. So click on over to my website. If you haven't done it already, download my 22 tips to build your immune system. And then check out my 3 Months to Thrive programs. Just click over there now. I can't wait to see you soon. And more importantly, I want to teach you to really, really love yourself. That's the ticket to really feel healthy and well. So click on over. This is Kathryn Chess, your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to balance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. Go out and make today magical. Bye-bye.